So apparently there's a lawsuit going on right now from shareholders of Rivian stock, talking about the company promised all kinds of things and they raised all kinds of money during the IPO and they failed to deliver what they promised. We're going to go over that real quick. Today was actually a pretty nice day in the stock market. I am not mad at it at all. Just today I was up $500, almost $600. I got this portfolio right here that I like to manage. Overall, I'm up $12,000 in this portfolio. I'm also happy with my little portfolio that I use to buy SPACs and IPOs and stuff like that. My little Robinhood portfolio was actually up again today, $50. And overall, I've taken a lot of money out of this portfolio over the years, but buy and sell, companies. But today, also, if you want to check out these portfolios and everything that I'm invested in, right, you can always go down in the description and join my Patreon. I share all my buys and sells on there. But today I want to talk about this article right here from Bloomberg Law. Rivian hit with shareholder suit alleging IPO misstatements. And that is crazy, guys, because, this is a company that IPO went November, I think. And if we look at the ticker symbol over here, Rivian, right, you can see that today it was actually up a nice $7, but in the last year or so since it came out, it actually supposed to IPO at around $106. They actually IPO at $172, and now the stock is down for the year 50%, all the way down to $53. So a lot of people are not happy about it, and that's what I tell you guys every single video. Just be careful with these IPOs. Make sure that you're not overpaying, because the hype, the IPO pop, right? I tell you guys all the time. Not financial advice. Don't do what I'm doing. Don't do whatever anybody else on YouTube is doing. Do your own research, right? So a lot of people don't listen. They still, follow the crowd or whatever. But today, a lot of them are actually, filing a lawsuit in California. So we're going to read a little bit about this. Let's see what this is all about. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get the latest and greatest on IPOs, okay? Rivian Automotive is facing a proposed class action in the Central District of California, alleging the shareholders were injured when they bought Rivian stock at prices that were inflated by the company's overstatement of its production capabilities prior to the IPO. They actually raised around $11.9 billion. The lead plaintiff, Albert Horvath, alleges that the company made false or misleading statements and failed to disclose that it wouldn't meet its 2021 production and delivery targets, and that its vehicles were underpriced, according to the complainant filed on Tuesday. In October of 2021, the registration statement of the IPO, Rivian said that it had 55,400 combined pre-orders for the R1T1 and the R1S. That's the nice little vehicle pickup that they have. I've made a video on Rivian. I made about 3 videos on the Rivian IPO. Actually, they're very popular. If you haven't seen any of those, go check them out. And that it planned to produce approximately 1,200 R1Ts and 25 R1s and deliver approximately 1,000 R1Ts. Rivian offered and sold 175,950,000 shares of its common stock at a price of about $78 per share, right? When the company disclosed on December 16, 2021, and here's where we got a big problem, right? That it will fall a few hundred vehicles short of its 2021 production target of 1,200 vehicles, and that it was reconsidering its pricing, the stock price fell by $11.17 per share, or more than 10% from $108 on that day, to close at around $97 in one day, guys. So everyone that bought at those high prices, right, they losing money, they're bleeding money. And then the company comes out and says on March 1st of 2022 that it will be boosting the price of the R1T by 17% to approximately $79,000 from $67,000, and the R1S by 20%. Okay, so not only did they decrease the production of vehicles, right, and that they promised, but they also raised the price for vehicle. This is another big problem because a lot of people were going with them because the prices were affordable, compared to other vehicles available out there, all the pickups, electric vehicles. So not only that, but they also raised their prices as well. You can see right here that 20%, that goes from $70,000 to $84,500. That's a big difference, right? Now, the stock price, that caused the stock price to even fall even further down 13%. So 2 days later, the complaint alleges Rivian retracted aspect of the price increase, saying that it wouldn't apply to pre-orders before March, wouldn't apply to the people that pre-ordered before March of 2022, okay? So on this news, the stock fell approximately another 5%. So the stock it's just been a bad year for Rivian. It just keeps declining. They keep coming out with these statements, and they're not helping themselves. And then on March 10, they announced disappointing financial returns for the fourth quarter fiscal year 2021, which is, expected, including revenue and adjusted losses per share that fell far below analyst statements. On this news, then again, the Rivian stock price fell another 7.5%. So, all right, so the class action includes all the purchases of Rivian common stock between November 10 of 2021 and March 10th of 2022, and other persons and entities who purchase Rivian common stock or pursuant, blah, 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 right? Here's the deal, guys. If you probably bought some Rivian stock, I don't know, from Robinhood, or maybe you use another stockbroker or whatever, you might be part of this class action as well. The class action, of course, is with the SEC, damages attorneys and costs, potential class. The members of the class are so numerous, right? So many people bought the stock. Of all members, is impracticable. The complainant alleges Rivian didn't immediately respond to our requests and so forth. To contact the reporter for the story, here's his email and contact information, all that stuff. All right. So what do I think about this whole situation, guys? This is what happens when you keep adjusting your prices and then you promise more than you deliver, and then your investors get mad at you. Okay. So was this smart? No. It's better to always under-promise and over-deliver than overpromise and underdeliver, guys. So a lot of people are pissed off at Rivian, but we'll see what happens. I mean, I'll keep you guys informed. Make sure that you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Do you still like the stock? Do you still think that Rivian can recover from this, guys? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so what do I think about the whole Will Smith smacking Chris Rock in the middle of the Oscars and all that? I think the guy lost his damn mind. That is some beta male don't do, okay? Alpha males don't smack people smaller that they are. I bet you if The Rock was up there making that joke, he would not have done that. I think Chris Rock was a bigger man by taking that slap than Will Smith was by giving that slap. So that's just my opinion. He should have been arrested for assault, but it's Will Smith, so I guess I let it slide. Plus, he didn't, Chris didn't want to press any charges, so he's lucky. But if I get slapped by Will Smith, I'll never have to work another day in my life, guys. As always, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more than that, make sure you take care of yourself, guys. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rick solves the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever know, ya. I think you'll go your house, your money, leave you broke, son.